Hello viewers, today we are here dismantling a bed. Never seen a bed like this. When you are moving, you just come, you are bound to get a few surprises. This is one of the surprises we got. It's a big king size bed. We tried to check if this one is movable. No, it's attached. So we had to figure out how to get this one. We have gone around it and we have seen what is supposed to be done. It's always necessary to have a well-equipped toolbox, and you may actually need to have a cartridge like this one. You can get this at Princess Auto. It has all the screw heads that you will need in moving, and with a drill you're all set to go. So like I did check and I found this one screw head is good enough, so we are all set. So we go to the back and come on. We studied and found out that we need to get these two screws off so that we can get this section off and this other section off. Then we'll go to the main body of the bed and then separate the whole thing off. So I'm gonna get started. So we have checked this bed thoroughly and we found the easy trick to get it out. After looking at the back, we found there's a pin that sticks in. So what we need to do is just lift it up like that, and then this section is out. So yeah, this pin here was going in here, so we were able to figure out. And now we have the headboard separated. Figure out how to separate this headboard from the main board. At least we can see this one. Look. And then for this moving business, it's just a question of being creative. There's so many surprises. This one is out. Now it's to figure out how to get this headboard out. Move this one off right here. And I guess same mechanism at the bottom, definitely. See? Down here. This one come off. Yeah. So intimidating. Okay, come and focus here. And here. If you are trying to take over a drawer and you find a mechanism like this one, just look closely here. If the thing has this particular pin that I'm moving here, then it means this is the lock. So if it's up like that, pull it down. If we go to the other side, you'll find that if this one is being pulled down, most likely the other one will be for pulling up. Let's go to the other side and we see. Yeah, so you see this one is down, so it's meant to be pulled up. So if you pull this one up, and this side down, and then pull it out. The thing comes out very easily. So we repeat the same thing over here. This one is down, so it's to be pulled up. This one definitely is up, so it's to be pushed down. And then pull it out like that. Now, figure out how to get this one out. So after taking off the drawers, the next section is to figure out how to do this. It's not moving. Let's see. No clip here. It looks like it has something like a rail here. Let's see if it can unclip like the headboard. Let's see. Oh yeah, there you go. So it has two clips. Right here, you can come close. Like this, there are two holes here, and there's a clip definitely under here, so that when you clip it in, it fits. And let's get on this side. Just pull it up. Yeah, it works. Yay! So we got that section out. Gently. Yeah, let's see what has been hiding on us. Yeah. So these two pins are the ones that were clipping into the holes we saw before. So when moving it, check out and see if they are steady so that they don't drop. Those ones are steady. They can't move out. So that section is good. Now back to the headboard. So this is the Allen key. Is the one that will make it easy for us to get into this very difficult corner. Like this is so hidden, so we could not use this one because I cannot get in there. So we have to use the Allen key. Get it in there, and then turn clockwise. Unscrewing, you gotta pull this one out like that, and we got all the parts separate. Now we are ready to move this bed out. Quite a huge bed, and Remember always to return these ones to their place so that you don't lose them. And this one back. See, already not finding it, so but when you have it back and you go to point B, it will be right where you need it. Okay, so good to go.